Hey, welcome to episode 14, Graduation Cap. The footage you're about to see was filmed in 2021. I hope you enjoy. Hey, Lit Innovations. Welcome back. In today's episode, I'm just gonna show you guys my graduation cap. So May 9th, I walked across the stage for the graduation ceremony at University of Central Missouri, and I got 2 bachelors in mechanical engineering technology and industrial engineering technology, with a minor in construction manufacturing, certificate in robotics and automation, certificate in Lean Six Sigma, and I think that's it. And so, to prepare to walk, I wanted to make the coolest grad cap around. So throughout, I think last year, I 3D scanned our mascot's head, the Mohead, and so I was able to print out, a bunch of my mascots' heads, put them on here. Then here on this side, it just says my campus name, UCM, that's what we call ourselves, 2021. And then here, I guess it's just a high five piston, because that was the idea. So let me turn it on. So I walked across the stage with this on my head and this transmitter around my neck. And I walked across the stage with all that. And I had the piston going, so I'll see if I can get it running here in a sec. There we go. So that was the idea, is for the hand to move in and out, just like the social fives, giving socially distanced high fives. So here's a closer look at how it works. There's just a motor right here in the back. It was like $15 on Amazon. And then printed out that circle piece, printed out the high five. I would say it's a fairly simple and easy design, but yeah. Got the battery here. Receiver is right there by the battery. So yep, when I got in line, turned this sucker on, had it going. But to be fully transparent, I failed poetry for the second time. I took it last summer, failed because I didn't do the work, took it again spring of 21, didn't do the work again, and failed. So my very last class to finish is poetry again this summer. But that's it. That is the only singular class holding me from these certificates. So I've already enrolled, I've already signed up. But yep, here is the grad cap. So I'll turn this sucker off. And as always, you stay lit, America. Alright, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that footage. I am happy to say that I did pass poetry that summer, and I did graduate from UCM summer of 2021. I'm an engineer and not a poet for a reason. Congratulations to the graduates of this year, 2026. Shout out to my brothers, Caden, Brendan, and Joshton. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Go make something. And as always, you stay lit, America.